We encounter plenty of things that should not be microwaved in our everyday lives. Some of these things are common sense, like pets and electronics. Other things are less intuitive but still commonly known, like styrofoam and aluminum foil. And some things you would never expect to be unsafe for microwaving if you even thought to microwave them in the first place. Most of us know that some containers and dishes are unsuitable for the microwave. They have those annoying little labels that say "do not microwave," and you have to go dig for a different bowl that won't melt, explode, or release toxic chemicals into your food. But did you know there's actually a bunch of food items you shouldn't microwave either? We aren't talking about putting a cup of instant ramen in the microwave without water, although that can be extremely dangerous. No, we're talking about totally unexpected foods, like uncracked eggs, pasta sauce, and grapes. Although why anyone would want to microwave grapes in the first place is beyond us. Looking at lettuce, kale, spinach, and the like, you'd never guess these leafy greens could turn into little fireballs. However, when microwaved, leafy greens can create sparks, not unlike aluminum foil. If you don't catch your entire house on fire, you'll at least be dealing with burnt greens and a busted microwave. But how on earth does this even happen? Leafy greens couldn't be more different from aluminum foil, right? Well, the amount of iron these leafy greens contain, which is part of the reason we eat them, is enough to create sparks under the right conditions. And unfortunately, microwaves are usually in the right conditions. How, then, should we reheat leafy greens? Simple. Reheat them slowly and evenly in an oven or on the stovetop. Be sure to reheat at a low temperature so the leafy greens don't spark or release all their nutrients. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.